In this video, you'll learn how to export or download your metadata from Mint Foundry. First, head to your collection page. Next, click on the tool wheel icon in the top right corner of your screen. Choose Freeze/Export. You are given two ways to export. The IPFS option will automatically upload your collection to IPFS and generate a CID. Alternatively, you can download a zip folder of the JSON files, which may be helpful if you're migrating to another centralized service or simply want to backup. If you choose this option, simply download the zip to your device to use later. Or, if you choose the IPFS option, this will freeze your collection and generate your CID. Once finished, copy your CID, and now it's time to update your smart contract. If you created your smart contract using Mintplex, head over to your mainnet dashboard. For this demo, I will be using the testnet, but mainnet will look identical to this. Scroll down to the bottom of the Manage Contract page to find the Update Metadata feature. Paste your IPFS CID or a URL if you are using the centralized hosting service. If pasting a CID, you can either enter the CID string alone or include IPFS:/ the CID, then end with a slash. If you copied from the Mint Foundry page earlier, it will automatically include that IPFS format, but either format will work. Click Save, sign the transaction, and you're officially done. If you use an alternative smart contract developer, go to your deployed smart contract on the appropriate explorers such as Etherscan, and navigate to the Write Contract tab. Connect the wallet that owns the contract, which is likely the one that you deployed with. Next, find the function called setBaseURI, or some variation of that name. Paste your IPFS CID or URL. Please note if you are using a CID, you will need to format this including the IPFS:/ your CID and end it with a slash. Click Write and sign the transaction. After updating your smart contract, you sometimes need to update the metadata manually on marketplaces such as OpenSea. If your collection is on Ethereum, you can use Mintplex's OpenSea bulk refresh tool. To do this, copy your contract address and fill in the info needed on the bulk refresh tool. If you need any help at any point in the process, feel free to reach out to our support team using the chat box in the bottom right-hand corner of Mint Foundry or Mintplex.